Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Let's go ahead and roast some hot dogs today and dredge them in some good old Heinz tomato ketchup and some mustard. Let's ferrite ignite some leaves. You only want to break them down a little bit. You want to have larges, mediums, and smalls. And then we'll go ahead and make that little horseshoe shape. Try to fire them off. Get some good coals built up first before you try to get them into the stove. That went out. But all that smoke going, it should ignite that wood gas. And I have some big pieces of water oak in the stove already and some leaves, that's all. I'm gonna put you on time lapse. I'm not gonna make you wait and watch this burn down into coals. It might look cool on time lapse. That's too many coals. I'm ready to get started. That looks about right. Do check out my Hobo Stove Builds playlist. This is my stainless steel model, and it's made out of a 3-quart pot, and it's my favorite. So I've got that video, and the next day I made a video where I found this grating at the Goodwill store and chopped it down to size, and it fits right in this lip right here, and it's going to give a place for these hot dogs to sit without them rolling off. So let's see what we can do with it. Love the Ballpark Franks. I guess I could have put some slits in it, but let's see how they do. That smells great. Let the dredging begin. Oh yeah. I'm not sure what happened to those other four. We'll get these off so that some wild animal won't come and eat them up on us.